Let me say this again because I think I might piss some people off, but oh, well, fuck y'all. So, for Donald Trump, this is my message to you. Like kernels according to your bowel system, I make shit difficult. I'm a problem. I'm similar to sex with a chick 2 days into her menstrual, and I dare you to fuck with me. So yeah, I'll be gone in a minute and back like a herpes, so I'm suggesting you Google me. Research and study those sequences that push me this distance, because I got here on my grandmother's prayer. And since the deck set against me, let's scratch the interest of playing fair, because all my life I've had to fight. So no second guess, I will punch you in your mouth, reach down your throat, turn your heart off. I dare you to say it with your chest, because mere words on swag don't mean much where I'm from. You better refund them and take them back. I'm a problem. I'm young, I'm fat, and I'm black. So man, I'm skinning this stereotype. My existence gotta count every time. Every rhyme is like an extension out of my better half. It's like God's idea of a headdress. I'll have you scalped and then give your mind a texturizer because I think you need a better thought process. Because I'm from a village where the rate of those who rise from it is at an all-time low, so I got to show them my flows like the cold wind blows. Because I've been slept on so long, my daydreams are other folks' nightmares. So goal one is to kill uncertainty, certainly. I got deaf people who hurting me. I got this far without always having a car. And sometimes it's just a wish on a star. And to this day, I smile every time my mother rubs my head and says, boy, I love who you are. Because she knows that the pain given to see me living, I'm a problem. And that's why a lot of people are not going to like you. Because the problem with being a problem, most folks want to find the easy route to solve them. Well, guess what, people? It's chess, not checkers. I make forward movements to secure forward progress in space till my finances look a lot like my chick, and then we can call it checkmate. So I'm a serial killer because I murder my haters with kindness. I put hollow points on my word uses to discuss folks like dressing with too much sage. I'm a nitwit with a gift. Sick shit you don't want to get with. See, my mama raised no fool, but I act one when you forget who you talking to. So pardon you as I bust around and lead these new schools on the road to petition dropping Obamas in this bitch till it's blacker than my president. Because I'm not done. I'm not even hitting the chorus. I haven't even put one in your blowhole like Japan does the porpoise for focus. I'm a problem. In those places, when neighbors would love to put costumes on playing Hollywood, and I wish you would. Give the audacity to test my capacity with that atrocity. But see, I done took all I can stand and I can't stand no more. So it's time I put towels on those clocks because it's time I see them floored. But amazing. I thought you said you let the old you die. It's such a bummer. No, he just been sleeping for a minute. Before your troubles, he's a kick and a stunner. I be hitting hard on those nitros and they sound the thunder. And I pour gallons of fun with no funnel till you would think it all like arteries collapse on the cholesterol. It's best to leave these problems alone because I spit these poems like Bebe's kids. They don't die, they multiply. So I fly high by. By the law, I despise mixed motions. The game been ashing me and I'm not feeling the lotion, but I'm missing components. So bring me back my focus like it was stolen because I waited this long to see my goals accomplished. Now what exactly is your problem? And that's that piece.